So in 1964, I started a concrete plant in Piggott with a friend of mine that was in a service station, Phillips 66 service station. At the end of 73, I told Mary Ann that I think there's a better way to make a living than what we're doing. Before we quit and sold out, a big factory came to Paragould called Monroe, shock absorber. We had the opportunity to be the concrete contractor on part of that floor out there, and we had to pour 25 feet wide, and we didn't have anything to do the floor with except a wood beam screed, and made it very difficult. So the idea of having a machine to do screeding of concrete was back when we were doing that Monroe job. We were really trying to clear our heads so we could figure out what we really wanted to do. And it turned out we really wanted to build a screed. And we built our first screed in 1976. We went to our first World Concrete Show as an exhibitor in 1977.
Each wore our t-shirts that said Screed Team, Mom and Pop. And went to New Orleans in a 10 by 10 booth, the 10 by 10 booth. And got orders.
There was some very important people at that show, and we met those people, and we got hooked up with Baker Concrete out of Cincinnati, Ohio. They had just been given a 500,000 square foot job from Montgomery Ward. I went to Cincinnati and met with those folks and got the order, and that was our beginning. At that time, nobody really knew us, and what we did, we bought the back page of Concrete Construction Magazine and installed the Watts line. And our phone started ringing. The big opportunity we saw after the screed was riding trowels and getting production up for these concrete contractors. We got a license and we took off running with riding trowels. And did with those the same way we did screed. We hauled them on a truck, we made demonstrations, and we sold machines. The rest is history.
That's right.
We are a fully integrated manufacturing facility, and we're proud. We have about 110,000 square feet of manufacturing facility located in our headquarters city, Paragould, Arkansas. We fabricate, we weld, we machine, we paint, we assemble, and we ship all in our facility. We are blessed with a great team: engineers, designers, fabricators, welders, machinists, painters, assemblers.
Being a smaller, family-owned, family-operated business, it's been very good. Our customers seem to really like the fact that if they did run into a problem, it was immediately taken care of. And it just goes to show how a family-owned, family-operated business in the United States is still dedicated to quality, customer service, and good relations with their customers.
We oftentimes talk about the 6 reasons to buy Allen equipment. And they're multifaceted, and they're things that make us different from our competitors. Our passion is concrete. It always has been. Everything we do is concrete related. Very committed to education and training. We have over 600 dealers and rental centers worldwide that sell our product every day. We've always been passionate about contractors. That goes back to our background in ready-mix concrete, sand and gravel. And I think one of the more satisfying things that I get to do is learning about the fact that the products that we make their job easier. We talk to them, they talk to us, they tell us, you know, what's working, what's not working, how we can improve, how to make things better, and we listen. We really do. We're constantly innovating, we're constantly improving, looking for ways to make things better. We are very, very committed to quality. We want to make equipment that when it goes out to the job site, it works the first time, and it works the 300th time. Oftentimes we'll have machines, we'll be in a shop or talking to a contractor, and it's not unusual at all to see 10, 15, and 20-year-old pieces of Allen equipment. We're very proud of that fact. We feel like that's what we are and what we stand for, because as we've always said, concrete typically waits for no one. Once it's on the ground, it starts to set. You have a limited time in which to work, so you need machines that will work, and they're reliable and dependable. I hear consistent themes from the people in our distribution channel, and that is that they really appreciate the reliability and the durability of our equipment. They appreciate the fact that we're committed to the industry, that you can talk to real people that know and care about what's going on with their equipment. That's a very satisfying part of what I do, is to be able to shake a finisher's hand or a mason's hand and say, hey, nice to meet you, and they're excited about their new Allen riding trowel or walk behind or truss screed or concrete paver or bridge deck paver, whatever it is that they're particularly operating, and say, hey, this is a really great machine and we really enjoy running it.